Question 1. Rohan blank the movie before he read the review. Option A. Watches. B. Have watched. C. Had watched. D. Was watching. Correct answer is C. Had watched. Question 2. By the next month we shall blank the project. Option A. Has completed. B. Completing. C. Completed. D. Have completed. Correct answer is D. Have completed. Question 3. He blank daily for a year now. Option A. Exercises. B. Was exercising. C. Has been exercising. D. Have been exercising. Correct answer is C. Has been exercising. Which tense is used to express general truth and facts? Option A. Present continuous tense. B. Present perfect tense. C. Past perfect tense. D. Present indefinite tense. Correct answer is D. Present indefinite tense. Question 5. The council blank made its decision. Option A. Have. B. Have had. C. Has. D. Having. Correct answer is C. Has. Question 6. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? Option A. Future perfect tense. B. Present indefinite tense. C. Future perfect continuous tense. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is C. Future perfect continuous tense. Question 7. The wise leader and politician blank assassinated. Option A. Are. B. Has been. C. Have been. D. Have had been. Correct answer is B. Has been. Question 8. Sita or her brothers blank to be blamed. Option A. Is. B. Has. C. Are. D. Was. Correct answer is C. Are. Question 9. The quality of products blank over time. Option A. Are regarding. B. Has been regarding. C. Have regarding. D. Were regarded. Correct answer is B. Has been regarding. Question 10. They blank into their cars and drove away. Option A. Has got. B. Have got. C. Gets. D. Got. Correct answer is D. Got. Question 11. Each of the 4 army soldiers blank for the mission. Option A. Were ready. B. Are ready. C. Was ready. D. Have been ready. Correct answer is C. Was ready. Question 12. Back in my native palace, I blank a smartphone. Option A. Did not have. B. Do not have. C. Did not had. D. Do not had. Correct answer is A. Did not have. Question 13. I blank the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now. Option A. Takes. B. have been taking, C would have taken, D have had been taking. Correct answer is B have been taking. Question 14. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Her brother will walk her down the aisle. Option A future indefinite tense, B future perfect tense, C present indefinite tense, D present perfect tense. Correct answer is A future indefinite tense. Question 15. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Here comes the soon to be bride. Option A present continuous tense, B present indefinite tense, C future indefinite tense, D present perfect tense. Correct answer is B present indefinite tense. Question 16. Two-thirds of the food supply blank for the month. Option A has been used, B were used, C have been using, D has been using. Correct answer is A has been used. Question 17. Syam and his brothers blank a famous sweet shop in our neighborhood. Option A are, B have been, C is, D have. Correct answer is C is. Question 18. Choose the present indefinite tense form of the sentence. He had been sleeping. Option A he has been sleeping, B he had slept, C he has slept, D he sleeps. Correct answer is D he sleeps. Question 19. By the time she was 15, she blank a beautiful singer. Option A shall become, B become, C had become, D has becoming. Correct answer is C had become. Question 20. Neither she nor I blank at home. Option A where, B was, C has been, D we. Correct answer is B was. Question 21. Choose the correct sentence. Option A Sam have gone to buy some groceries, B Sam had going to buy some groceries, C Sam be going to buy some groceries, D Sam is going to buy some groceries. Correct answer is D Sam is going to buy some groceries. Question 22. Chris blank to attend the program. Option A did not wanted, B did not want, C do not wanted, D does not wanted. Correct answer is B did not want. Question 23. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Nick has purchased a new laptop. Option A present perfect tense, B present indefinite tense, C past perfect tense, D present indefinite tense. Correct answer is A present perfect tense. Question 24. Identify the tense used in the sentence. When shall our application be approved? Option A future perfect tense, B present indefinite tense, C past perfect tense, D future indefinite tense. Correct answer is D future indefinite tense. Question 25. Pentagon blank 5 sides. Option A have had, B had, C has, D have. Correct answer is C has. Question 26. Identify the tense used in the given sentence. I am visiting her now. Option A present indefinite tense, B future perfect continuous tense, C future perfect tense, D present continuous tense. Correct answer is D present continuous tense. Question 27. Choose the future perfect tense from of the given sentence. He has a lot of experience. Option A. He had a lot of experience. B. He will have lot of experience. C. He will have had a lot of experience. D. He will be having a lot of experience. Correct answer is C. He will have had a lot of experience. Question 28. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. Harry inviting me to his farmhouse once. B. Harry Sal invited me to his farmhouse once. C. Harry had invited me to his farmhouse once. D. Harry has been inviting me to his farmhouse once. Correct answer is C. Harry did invited me to his farmhouse once. Question 29. It is a tradition that blank ever since. Option A have been celebrated, B had been celebrated, C has been celebrated, D has been celebrating. Correct answer is C has been celebrated. Question 30. Identify the tense used in the given sentence. Welcome to the ceremony. Option A present perfect tense, B present indefinite tense, C past indefinite tense, D past perfect tense. Correct answer is B present indefinite tense. Question 31. Choose the present perfect tense form of the given sentence. The manager shall be on leave. Option A. The manager is on leave. B. The manager had been on leave. C. The manager was on leave. D. The manager has been on leave. Correct answer is D. The manager has been on leave. Question 32. I blank you my last year's books. Option A have had lend. B shall lend. C lends. D lending. Correct answer is B shall lend. Question 33. Identify the tense used in the given sentence. Someone picked my pocket. Option A present indefinite tense, B past indefinite tense, C past perfect tense, D present perfect tense. Correct answer is B past indefinite tense. Question 34. Which tense is used to express a person's habitual or regular activities? Option A present perfect tense, B present perfect continuous tense, C present indefinite tense, D present continuous tense. Correct answer is C present indefinite tense. Question 35. You should not blank the worst. Option A assumed, B assuming, C assume, D assumes. Correct answer is C assume. Question 36. Choose the correct sentence. Option A I did not accompany them. B. I do not accompany them. C. I does not accompany them. D. I do not accompany them. Correct answer is D. I do not accompany them. Question 37. Identify the tense used in the given sentence. John met the officer in the evening. Option A, past continuous tense. B, past perfect continuous tense. C, past perfect tense. D, past indefinite tense. Correct answer is C, past perfect tense. Question 38. Joseph blank by everyone after he won the competition. Option A, was congratulated. B, congratulate. C, shall be congratulated. D, have been congratulated. Correct answer is A, was congratulated. Question 39. Identify the tense used in the given sentence. You are always working on your laptop. Option A, present indefinite tense. B, present perfect tense. C, present continuous tense. D, present perfect continuous tense. Correct answer is C, present continuous tense. Question 40. This servant blank with us for 10 years. Option A, works. B, has been working. C, is working. D, does work. Correct answer is B, has been working. Question 41. C blank for Jammu yesterday. Option A, leaves. B, is leaving. C, has been leaving. D, left. Correct answer is D, left. Question 42. He blank weak in English in the beginning. Option A, being. B, been. C, was. D, had been. Correct answer is C, was. Question 43. He blank a car 1 month ago. Option A, bought. B, has bought. C, has been buying. D, had been buying. Correct answer is A, bought. Question 44. Where blank he blank to play in the evening. Option A, did go. B, has gone. C, does go. Did gone. D, does going. Correct answer is C, does go. Question 45. When he blank you, he will love you. Option A, will meet. B, is meeting. C, meets. D, has met. Correct answer is C, meets. Question 46. The earth blank around the sun. Option A, is moving. B, has been moving. C, moves. D, moving. Correct answer is C, moves. Question 47. Eat blank all the year round here. Option A, has rained. B, is raining. C, rains. D, has been raining. Correct answer is A, has rained. Question 48. If you blank hungry, you can eat. Option A, being. B, are. C, have been. D, will be. Correct answer is B, are. Question 49. Why blank late every day? Option A, do you come? B, did you come? C, have you come? D, will we come? Correct answer is A, do you come? Question 50. I blank you already about it. Option A told, B have told, C tells, D I am telling. Correct answer is B have told.